Trade for Development in the Age of Global Value Chains, an online course that I took from the World Bank. And I would like today to share with you one of the most important outcomes that I gained from the course. Global value chains can be an opportunity to tackle climate change. Economists defined global value chain as the series of processes involved in the production of goods, service sold to consumers, with each of the process adding value to the final product, and that is occurring at least two different countries. That is taken from the World Bank report 2020. And the general outcome of GVC is GVCs can leverage economic growth, create better jobs, and reduce poverty. That will happen if developing countries engage themselves into deep reforms, specifically policies, and developed countries continue their openness and suitable policies. Importantly, GVC has an impact on the environment, and that is probably one of the most important outcomes of GVC participation for countries and regions. And we know we are talking about industry, we're talking about transportation. In fact, although GVC can be associated with more waste and shipping than traditional trade, both types of trade have an environmental cost. The good thing is, unlike traditional trade, GVC features can facilitate the production of environmentally friendly goods that are innovative and also at lower cost. And that will happen under the leadership of what we call that sector lead firms, who will definitely transfer the knowledge, the know-how to less important firms or even in developing countries to promote the protection of the environment. And GVC has promising green goods. We all know about the solar energy. The solar value chain is innovative and depend on complex production system that involve suppliers from multiple countries for this part. And then we can talk about the wind energy. And I was surprised to discover that the evolving wind energy supply chain is very fragmented. A single wind turbine has more than 8,000 parts produced in different countries. The electric vehicle industry, with more than a million units sold worldwide in 2017, and about 5% of the light vehicles market by 2020. That is really promising for the environment. And also, here is an example of what is happening in the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, where we have projects like what we call here the Sub-Saharan African Ecotourism, which is addressing environmental cost and trade for productive activity in some sub-Saharan African countries, promoting the sustainability of the tourism using local activities